We start factor and remainder theorem. Okay, new chapter. Factor and remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. Today's chapter is factor and remainder theorem. In factor and remainder theorem, they will give an expression and they will ask you find the remainder when the expression is divided by some variable. They will give the value divisor they will give, and without actually dividing, they are asking you to find the remainder. So, for example, take a question: find the remainder. Find the remainder when the expression x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 8 is divided by x minus 1. This is the question. Okay, now see the answer, the solution, how we can do it. First we write a let fx is equal to the expression, whatever expression is given. X cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 8. We'll copy the expression. Let fx be the given expression, whatever expression is given. With what we are dividing x minus 1, we have to write that. Put x minus 1 equal to 0. F is a function in x. These are all function in x. No, that's called function in x. fx. Put x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x value becomes 1 will go, that's at 1. Then we have to put x value 1 here in this expression, and that is the value of remainder. Therefore, we write the remainder equal to x value we have put 1 here. You get 1 cube, 4 into 1 square, 5 into 1 plus 8. Now we simplify, and that is the answer for remainder. 1 cube comes 1, 4 into 1 square is coming 4, plus 5 plus 8. Let us simplify. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14 minus 4, the answer is 10. This answer. This is the value of remainder. Divided by x minus 1 given, no? When the expression is divided by x minus 1, you take whatever you are with which you are dividing, so that equal to 0, x value becomes that value you have to put. And find the value of remainder. Remainder is coming 10. And when you actually divide, then also the answer will come 10, but that will take longer time. There also the answer will come 10. By chance, if the remainder comes 0, that means this thing with which we are dividing is a factor of it. Or it will exactly divide this one, will be divisible. This expression will be divisible by x minus 1. In the question here they talk that prove that this one is a factor, x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. That means we will be calculating the value of remainder in this manner only, and the value of remainder must come 0. If it comes 0, then that with whatever we are dividing is automatically a factor. Okay. Not a factor because remainder is 10, it is not 0, no, so it is not a factor. Now, another one, suppose is that prove that, question says prove that x minus 2 is a factor, of x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 6. That is the question. Prove that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 6, and find the remaining factors. Remaining factors. That is the question. First, we will be writing that let fx is equal to the expression, whatever expression is been given, which you have to divide. Complete. Put with what we are dividing x minus 2. Put x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x value is 2. Therefore, at r is remainder. Remainder value will find out. X value is put 2 everywhere and check what is the answer. 2 cube 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 cube will give 8. 2 square is giving 4. This is minus 10 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Minus 4 minus 10 is also 14. The answer is coming 0. So here the remainder comes 0. What is the meaning of it? That means x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. Therefore, we write, therefore x minus 2 is a factor. So this one is proved. Now, how to find the other factors? How to find the remaining factors? When the power is cubed, it will have 3 factors altogether. So one factor is already given to prove, and we must find 2 more. How to find 2 more factors? To find 2 more factors, we have to divide the expression by this x minus 2. I love this. We'll be going for division now. That is divide. What is the expression given? X cube minus x square minus 5x plus 6. We'll divide it by x minus 2. Okay. Let us see, in the lower classes also we have done division. I mean class 7, 8 used to divide. Make the first one equal. This is x cube. It will go by x square times. X into x square becomes this x cube. First one you have to make equal. Minus x square into 2 also will multiply. Get 2x square. Change the sign. I mean you are subtracting the this one. That is change the sign. This will cancel. Plus 2x square minus x square equals x square. Minus 5x will copy. X and x square it will go by x times. X into this I multiply, become x square. X into 2 will become 2x. Change the sign, cancel the first one. Minus 5x plus 2x gives us a minus 3x plus 6. X and x is matching, minus 3 units, right? Minus 3 here, multiply, this become minus 3x plus 6. Change the sign, cut, the answer is 0. That's why remainder is 0. Cannot see. Now, can you see now? Then you go out and again come in. Others can see. Amarnath. Amarnath. Okay. Now, how is it now? Then net problem maybe from your side. Okay, we like other factors is equal to this one. Right here, x square plus x minus 3. This is the value of other factor. Now again we will see, can we factorize it by middle term breaking? Can we do the factorization like middle term or some product factor way? Can we do it? Product is 3 to get, break 3 to get answer 1. If we cannot break, this only will become the answer. And if you are able to break, then you break it and you get 2 answers. This bracket and another bracket will come. If you are able to break. If you are not able to break, this only becomes the answer. Which part you did not understand? Huh? No, just now the expression, the other factors can be what? X square plus x minus 3, no. Can we do middle term breaking? 3 is the product, break 3 to get 1, not possible. So this only becomes the answer. Where you are able to break into factors, you have to break, and then your answer will come. Then 2 more factors will come there. Just now you are unable to break, so this only becomes the answer. Okay, Bharat, tell him to switch, put off the video, no? Okay, this is okay, no? Yes? Now, Sometimes they will give you something and the remainder they will give and they will ask you to find the value of that particular thing. Okay, I read a question. Question says, question number, say for example 4, page 137, question number 4. Page 137, question number 4. Question says, given that x minus 3 is a factor, given that x minus 3 is a factor of expression given that is 2x cube minus ax squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Find a and the remaining factors of expression. First you must find the value of a, this small a, find the value of a and then you have to find the remaining factors. One factor is given x minus 3. So first we must find the value of a. So how to find? We write like this. Let f is equal to the given expression, that is 2x cube minus ax squared minus 5x plus 6. Usual bracket is put x minus 3 equal to 0, therefore x value is 3. Go for remainder r. R value how do you find? By putting the value of x3. 2 cube minus a into 2 square minus 5 into 3, you write 3, x value is 3. 5 into 3 plus 6. Remainder value will at 0 there, just below remainder. This side unknown is x, so remainder value is 0. Why is 0? Because x minus 3 is the factor, they are saying factor. So factor will give the remainder value 0. If they say when this expression is divided by x minus 3, remainder is 2, then we will put the value of remainder 2. But just now it is automatically factor, so remainder becomes 0. Now find this. 3 cubes 27 to the 54, 9a minus 15 plus 6. We will calculate the value of a using this equation. Minus 9 you can take it this side, become plus 9a. And here you simplify. 54 plus 6 is 60 minus is coming 45. So a value is coming 5. The value of a is 5. Now they are asking to factorize the expression completely. The value of a5 we will put here and then we divide to find the other factor, remaining factors. So for that we have to do the division. That means a value and divide like this. This is 2x cube minus a value I put what we want, that is 5. 5x squared minus 5x plus 6. And we will divide by x minus 3 now. X and 2 is there, so first we write 2x squared. 2x squared into x gives the answer 2x cube minus 2x squared into 3 will give the answer minus 6x squared. Change the sign, minus become plus, this will go. Plus 6x squared minus 5x squared will answer x squared minus 5x. X and x squared it will go by x times. X into this is coming x squared minus x into 3, 3x. Change the sign. This is cancelled. Here the answer becomes minus 2x plus 6. X and x is matching. Minus 2 will go by minus 2. The answer will become minus 2x plus 6. Change the sign. Change the sign. This will go. Remainder comes 0. Now we are writing the other factors. Other factors is equal to 2x squared plus x minus 2. Is it breakable? Can we break in middle term factors? The answer will be no, because 2 to the 4, break 4 to get 1, not possible. So this only remains the answer. This only becomes the answer. If you are able to break, then you should break into factor. Just now we are unable to break, so this itself is the answer. No need to do anything. Okay? Yes. You got some idea? You try some question, at least 5-6 questions you should try of this type today, and then if you get it, then I'll do whatever you will not be able to do, and then tomorrow I'll do the new ones, new type. And then tomorrow is off because Sunday, Monday I will do. Okay. Then, thank you, Jana. You try the. Okay, I'll give the number. Okay, fine. So you try the numbers. Page number 141, number 28, 28, 26, 28, 26, 24, 23, 23, then number 10,